Morning lunch rush. Making cheeseburgers and fries in a row. Hey there, foodies. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're tackling the morning lunch rush by making a classic favorite, cheeseburgers and fries. Get ready for a culinary marathon, and let's dive in. Segment 1. Preparing ingredients, 0:35 o'clock, cut to a shot of the kitchen counter, where ingredients are laid out, host. Before we start cooking, let's prep our ingredients. We'll need freshly ground beef, sliced cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles, and of course, potatoes for our fries. Cut to a shot of the host chopping, slicing, and measuring ingredients. Host. Make sure to chop those onions finely and slice the cheese thinly. We want that perfect melt. Segment 2. Forming patties, 5 o'clock 8 o'clock, cut to a shot of the host forming beef patties. Host. Now it's time to form our patties. Make sure they're evenly sized and about 3/4 inch thick. You want that perfect sear. Cut to a shot of the host seasoning the patties. Host. Don't forget to season those patties with salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika. That smoky flavor will make all the difference. Segment 3. Cooking patties, 8 o'clock 12 o'clock, cut to a shot of the host cooking the patties on a grill or grill pan. Host. Now it's time to cook our patties. Get that grill or grill pan hot, and cook for about 4-5 minutes per side, or until they're cooked to your desired level of doneness. Cut to a shot of the host flipping the patties. Host. Don't press down on those patties, folks. You want to let them develop that nice crust on the outside. Segment 4. Preparing fries, 12 o'clock 1500, cut to a shot of the host peeling and cutting potatoes. Host. While our patties are cooking, let's get started on those fries. Peel and cut your potatoes into long, thin strips. Rinse them in cold water to remove excess starch. Cut to a shot of the host soaking the fries in cold water. Host. Soak those fries in cold water for at least 30 minutes to remove excess starch. This will help them become crispy. Segment 5. Frying fries, 1500-1800. Cut to a shot of the host frying the potatoes in hot oil. Host. Now it's time to fry those fries. Heat about 2-3 inches of oil in a deep frying pan to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry those potatoes in batches until they're golden brown and crispy. Cut to a shot of the host removing the fries from the oil. Host. Remove those fries from the oil with a slotted spoon and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Segment 6. Assembling burgers, 1800-2000. Cut to a shot of the host assembling the burgers. Host. Now it's time to assemble our burgers. Place a cooked patty on a toasted bun, followed by a slice of cheese, some lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, and finally, a dollop of your favorite sauce. Cut to a shot of the host placing the top bun on the burger. Host. And there you have it, folks. A delicious cheeseburger, made to perfection during the morning lunch rush. Segment 7. Plating and serving, 2000-2200. Cut to a shot of the host plating the burgers and fries. Host. Now it's time to plate our masterpiece. Place that beautiful burger on a plate, alongside a serving of crispy fries. Add a side of ketchup or your favorite dipping sauce, and you're ready to serve. Cut to a shot of the host taking a bite of the burger. Host. That's the stuff. A perfectly cooked cheeseburger, crispy fries, and a side of ketchup. What more could you ask for? Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, folks. If you give this recipe a try, be sure